Hi, Alan Stratton from Woodturns. There are only a few more days left for this challenge, but still plenty of time to turn a sphere or two. This video shows results to date for the 2018 Sphere Challenge. If you recall, the challenge is to turn a sphere. Your project could be the sphere, could use a sphere, or could have a sphere as a component, or could use a sphere to achieve an ultimate result. Exactly what you do is totally up to you. Whether the sphere is the project or whether the project incorporates a sphere, it just has to have a sphere somehow in your project. I'm not going to comment on individual projects. They speak for themselves. In recent videos, I've shown techniques to make sphere turning easier. While I cannot claim to have originated these techniques, I find them useful. They enable me to quickly turn a sphere without fear. While you don't need a sphere cutting jig, if you already have one, use it. If you don't have a jig, then spend your money on other gotta-have tools. Time is getting short. The deadline is the last day of July 2018. The submission process is a two-part process. One is to fill out the form so that I have the information to talk about your sphere. The other is the actual picture of your sphere. The first part is on my website at aswoodturns.com/challenges. The second one uses Dropbox for the picture. The Dropbox link is also at aswoodturns.com/challenges. You may enter as many sphere projects as you'd like. Just put each on a separate entry. I hope you find the Sphere Challenge as inspirational as I do. I love to see what other people have done. They are truly an inspiration to me. Who knows how this will influence my future turning and your future turning. By the end of July, get your sphere into the challenge. If you've never turned a sphere, turn one now by the end of July. Just a few days left, but still time to do it.